Hi friends, it's Epic Junk Food and Candy Fun, and we're so excited today because we have Chase, Ryder, and Sky from the Paw Patrol to help us out with a really fun kid candy review. We have caramel apple sugar babies to taste test and review.
Hi, Chase is on the case.
Hi Chase, we're glad you're here.
Same here. Hi, I'm so happy to be on Epic Junk Food and Candy Fun.
We're so happy too. Ryder, did you just pass out? What's going on here? Are you okay?
Yeah, I think Ryder's just a little bit too excited to be here. Wake up, Ryder. I think he's in a coma.
I hope not.
I'm awake. Sorry, guys.
Let's try this again, Ryder. Have you ever had caramel apple sugar babies before?
No, but just from the sound of it, they sound and look really good.
Yeah, I'm so excited about them. Let's take a closer look at the package. I've had regular sugar babies, and they're a delicious caramel flavor. These are caramel apple sugar babies, so they look real special. Something different. But I am noticing something a little interesting. It looks like there's little pieces of bacon on the package. I'm sure it's not supposed to be bacon, but I guess I love bacon candy so much that it looks like bacon to me. These, like we said, are caramel apple sugar babies. They're milk caramels with apple candy coating. So it looks like they're green on the outside and brown in the middle. Here is the back of the box with the nutrition facts and a list of the ingredients. And these were made by the Tootsie Roll Company. It says made in the USA. Let's open these up. I opened these up, then I poured them out. They're kind of sticky. You can tell that these have stuck together. Ryder, will you taste test these for me? Here you go. Well, some of that fell on your lap, but you did get a good bite. How's it taste?
It's a really good green apple, and the caramel inside is really good.
So is this something you'd recommend to others?
For sure. Oh yeah.
Chase, here's yours. So what do you think, Chase?
It's really good. When you first bite into it, it kind of tastes like apple, then it tastes like mint.
Interesting. I'm not sure I tasted any mint.
Oh.
Sky, would you like to try some?
Most definitely. These look so good. I can't wait.
Here you go. So how was it, Sky?
It's delicious. It reminds me of real green apples and caramel. It's so good.
So guys, is this something you would recommend?
Yes, for sure. For all the pups in the Paw Patrol. Me too. I love it.
Well, thanks, guys. This is Epic Junk Food and Candy Fun, where we love taste testing junk food and candy and playing with toys. If you like this video, please click subscribe and we'll make more. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you again soon.
Bye. 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 These remind me of boogers. Ew, Ryder, boogers? I know. We need you on some meatballs.